Don't hesitate to seize the electric motorcycle market in Iran. Iran is one of the largest automotive markets in the Middle East. However, sanctions and geopolitical instability continue to hinder market growth, with its market share only reaching about 1/3 of the German automotive market. Importing vehicles from foreign manufacturers faces severe restrictions, and the Iranian government imposes high tariffs of up to 86% on imported cars to protect domestic manufacturing. Import tariffs on automotive components are also gradually increasing, leading to a continuous decline in imported cars in the Iranian market. To protect domestic manufacturing and promote local employment, the Iranian government has long placed complete vehicle imports on the prohibited list, allowing only the importation of automotive components. Furthermore, the willingness of Iranian citizens to purchase cars will decrease. The increase in tariffs has led to higher prices for automotive parts, increased import costs, and severe inflation that has devalued the Iranian currency. The high prices of imported cars deter the general public from purchasing them. Although Iran is a major exporter of crude oil, its refining technology is not advanced, and Iran still needs to import gasoline. With restrictions on gasoline imports and severe inflation domestically, Iran's previously low fuel prices have become highly unstable. The new gasoline rationing system has increased the cost of vehicle usage for Iranian citizens, making them reluctant to bear the high cost of fuel and purchase cars. Consequently, the willingness of Iranian nationals to buy domestic cars is also low. After Western countries stopped importing cars from Iran, China's automotive industry became dominant in Iran's mid-range car market. However, many Iranians perceive Chinese cars to have quality issues, making them less popular among the Iranian population. Therefore, overall, the demand for cars in Iran will not increase in the short term. With strict government restrictions on car imports, the automotive market is not a favorable investment choice. In such a situation, smart individuals will turn their attention to alternatives to cars, electric motorcycles, which are rising like a new star in Iran. Iran has a vast market for electric motorcycles, as they have lower prices and operating costs compared to cars, making them a popular choice among the Iranian population. Additionally, it is well known that air pollution is a significant issue in Iran, and the government is actively promoting clean energy. New energy vehicles, including electric motorcycles, are supported by the government through subsidies and favorable policies. Iran's sixth five-year development plan, 2016 to 2021, advocates for replacing conventional cars with green vehicles to alleviate severe air pollution. The development of electric vehicles in Iran has a history, with the country unveiling its first domestically produced electric car as early as 2015. In 2017, Iran held an unveiling ceremony for the first domestically manufactured electric car and electric motorcycle, with President Rouhani attending the event and personally test-driving the vehicles. However, this plan is only about the planning of high-end technological research and has not been implemented in the market for commercialization. Although the plan for electric cars did not materialize, we can still see the Iranian government's ideas and plans for developing clean energy and the restricted automotive market. Electric motorcycles are a perfect fit for Iran's national conditions and market trends. Firstly, the Iranian government does not impose the same restrictions on the import of electric motorcycles as it does on cars, allowing for the importation of complete vehicles with reasonable import tariffs. Secondly, Iran's social structure exhibits a significant wealth gap, and compared to purchasing cars, the majority of the middle and lower income groups are more willing to buy affordable electric motorcycles. Additionally, with severe traffic congestion in Iran, driving electric motorcycles for commuting will be more convenient, and the Iranian people are happy to make this choice. Furthermore, the new energy industry is a key development target for the Iranian government, and electric motorcycles are included in this industry, offering bright prospects for development in Iran. Moreover, Chinese electric motorcycles have a good reputation in Iran. Due to the advanced technology of Chinese electric motorcycles, their product quality is comparable to cars and highly welcomed by the Iranian people. Lastly, compared to cars, electric motorcycles have very low operating costs. Electricity prices in Iran are cheaper than fuel prices, making electric motorcycles more cost-effective. Generally, citizens are more willing to use electric motorcycles. Currently, electric motorcycles in Iran are facing a series of issues. Due to the lack of infrastructure, it is extremely inconvenient for electric motorcycles in terms of charging, maintenance, parts replacement, and upkeep. This hesitation among Iranian citizens when purchasing electric motorcycles indicates that the market for electric motorcycles in Iran is still untapped and has vast potential waiting to be developed. If Chinese electric motorcycle companies enter the Iranian market and establish a complete set of supporting facilities, such as 4S stores, offering comprehensive repair and maintenance services, and improving infrastructure, it will quickly expand the market demand for electric motorcycles, presenting unlimited business opportunities. The comprehensive 25-year cooperation agreement between China and Iran has strengthened trade relations between the two countries and provided great opportunities for Chinese companies to enter Iran. In addition to the high demand for electric vehicles in Iran, the signing of the comprehensive 25-year cooperation agreement between China and Iran also provides a golden opportunity for Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers to enter Iran. The Iranian government has accepted Chinese assistance for Iran's economic, energy, and infrastructure development through this agreement. Iran encourages Chinese companies to enter the market and has formulated a series of preferential policies for local enterprises to promote the development of its manufacturing industry. In this context, Chinese companies entering Iran will enjoy the same preferential policies as local enterprises in the free trade zone, which is a great advantage for Chinese companies. So, don't hesitate anymore. It's time to seize the opportunity in the Iranian electric motorcycle market.